honey. She's
Thank
going to be like
you.
your best friend in the world of anti-aging. This was on air back in March, and it completely sold out. Bianca Jade is our very stunningly beautiful guest as our brand ambassador for Pure Energizer. It's the Nano Solution Set. Why do I need a delivery system like this?
Because it is one of a kind, it's unique. Nothing out there is like this or matches it. What I like to say is that this is nanotechnology in the palm of your hand. It's not just beauty, it's not just technology, it's science. And science proves results.
You got it, baby.
This is our Nanomist. And the reason why I'm okay doing this right now, I'm going to show you here on the blackboard, but the reason why I'm okay doing this now over my makeup is because it dries instantly. So it's absorbing into those deeper layers of our epidermal skin, going to where the work happens. And when I say work, I'm talking about collagen production, skin cell turnover, and repair of the damage, repair of sun damage, repair of, I have terrible hyperpigmentation, melasma on my cheeks. I've been using this and I've seen so much improvement. I mean, this is, I'm just going to say it. I've tried injectables, I've tried it all, and it was painful.
Oh,
it hurt.
expensive, right?
I heard you say that you would suffer for beauty.
Yeah.
I don't want to suffer for beauty.
If I didn't have to, that's
I mean,
true.
I'm glad that you would, but I don't want to suffer for beauty. This is
Good call out, Bianca.
This is your natural, non-invasive filler. Because when people are going to get injectables, what they're getting injected into their skin is hyaluronic acid. And guess what? Our solution is 3 different sizes of hyaluronic acid molecules. If you go to a department store and try to buy anything similar, it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars. And if I heard what that deal is, this is amazing.
Amazing. Oh, that's a great shot. Can you see this?
I love using it on the back of my hands because this is where we show our age.
So smart.
And I don't want people to know that I'm about to turn 40. I really don't. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're such a young whippersnapper.